So from here, we can then switch into either Wing Chun, which is sitting on the back. All right, that's the way I describe how you distribute the weight, is that 100% of your weight sits on this back, right? So that you can really balance. And then the leg just natural, all right? And then if we want to move into the boxing, we just simply move the knee down, and now it's more of a 50-50, all right? And within this, we're gonna be able to move in multiple different directions. And with this, we really want to maintain this upward. So imagine you're a tank. This is the upward where the cannon is firing. These are the tracks. They keep everything balanced and positioned, and you maintain this stand-up position so that you are farther from falling. The second you start leaning is very easily you can get pulled. If you're leaning back too much, you can easily get pushed. And now these motions will happen throughout movement because you do want to slip and dodge and stuff like that. But generally, you want to maintain your balance throughout. So in ending with the balance, we will now look into more detail what balance is, where it exists, how to protect your balance, and how to take advantage of other people's balance when trying to knock them down.